Today, we're going to bring a wireless speaker. It comes connected with Type-C. You could charge it, and it's a little loud. So we're going to put it to a test, and we're going to sync it up with our phone. So let's go ahead and put it to a test. Like I said, this thing is going to last a couple hours, and it literally does. So you could connect multiple of these speakers throughout your area. Using the same source, you could set up these throughout your house. So they're pretty awesome little devices. So let's go open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So besides the actual speaker, how powerful and loud it is, if you don't have any wireless device that you could actually sync to, I'm going to give you something that it's an extra plus feature in here. If you guys notice here, there's enough room for a micro SD card. So you can put all your MP3s in here, and you don't even need to carry a phone or anything else. You can just pretty much upload your whole entire library into one card and be streaming all day. Now, it does have a charging area and a 3.5 jack, if you can see the connection, but this is a plus. This is something that you don't have to sync to any phone or any device. You can just have your music on the micro SD card connected through here. All right, off the bat, you can actually see the speakers. They look very powerful. Now, option 2 that you have, if you don't use the wireless device and you don't have to have the fully charged, you could actually plug in directly and they will act like regular speakers with a 3.5 jack, right? So that's another option you have. On the back, if you can see the subwoofer area, it's flexible. Now on the top, it's pretty simple. Big old giant buttons, plus and minus. And then you got your Bluetooth, your play button, and your power. Power, you hold on to it, and it pretty much lights up. Now, right now, it's in the sync mode. So we're going to go ahead and bring our phone and sync it up. We're going to go into Bluetooth settings. We're going to look for the actual device. If you guys can see the name of it right here, it's going to find it on the bottom. So there it is. If you guys can see NPE, right? T. And so you click on that one, and it's going to pair up automatically. Once you pair it up, you have manual control. You can control it through your phone. Say pair. You can control the audio through your phone, or you can control it manually too. Right now, we are full blast right now. We're going to go ahead and set it up and see how loud it gets. All right, so let's go and do that. All right, so right now we have it lowest because this thing is super high. And you guys can see it. It is like super loud. I'm going to turn it down. We're going to click on it because it is really loud that you're not going to be able to hear over my head. And you could hear the vibrations on it. You could feel it. This is perfect. Right now we only have 1 bar, but we're going to charge it some more. We're going to take this to the park. This is a really awesome little device that you can carry in your pocket anywhere. And you can feel the vibrations on the actual woofer, subwoofer in the back. It's super loud. It has a lot of bass. I actually enjoy this. It's something I'm going to take to the park and have some fun on it. And like I said, if you have options on the corner here, this will be the charging station and the 3.5 jack. This is perfect for traveling. You're going to be gaming or anything like that, or you want to make sure that you're going to hear the music that people are playing on your phone. You could extend to this music, and then you can have multiple of these setups and play out throughout the house or throughout the park. If you're going to be driving, this is perfect. Fits in front of a bicycle or in front of a motorcycle, and it's loud, light, portable. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.